Whoever comes, please tell me your name and then tell me the defects that you noticed.
Suresh.
Suresh.
Yeah.
Yeah, tell me what is the count.
Count is 11.
11 means one defect, right?
One defect, yeah.
One defect. Then color?
Color, it's 2.
2 defects.
Okay.
Color. Sorry, this is 1. This is 2. And then crack?
Crack is 1.
Crack is 1. Shape?
Shape is also 1.
Shape is also 1. Taste is good. Therefore, no defects. Right?
Yeah.
Now, please see here. I have counted total defects for first packet is, first box is 5 defects. So, if you add 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 1, 5. And for the different defects also, I have given the total here in the at the bottom. Count is 1, color is 2, crack is 1, shape is 1, total is 5 here. So, total also is tallied here. So, likewise, I will tally for all of you. And then you can see here, defects noticed is 5 because we have noticed 5 defects. So, 5 is there. Sample is 10. Items is number of gems noticed is sample is 10 because that is nothing but number of boxes into items per box. Items per box is 10. Number of box, we have opened only 1 box by Suresh. Therefore, 10 into 1 is 10. Opportunity for error is 5. Always opportunity for error is 5 per item. Each gem, we are noticing it for 5 defects, 5 types of defects. Count, color, crack, shape, and taste. Now, substitute the above values and obtain the answer. Now, DPO, defects per opportunity is nothing but defects noticed, that is 5, divided by total opportunity for error. Total opportunity for error is sample into opportunity for error. So, 10 into 5 is 50. Therefore, 5 by 50 is 0.1. And per opportunity, if it is 0.1, per million opportunities, I have to multiply DPO by 1 million. Right? So this is how we are doing the calculations. Once DPMO is obtained, then this is nothing but sigma level, long term and short term. Right? This we will teach you separately. This can be obtained from normal distribution table. Standard normal distribution table, we can obtain this. Now, second person, can you tell me the values?
Sir, Padmaja.
Padmaja, please tell me.
Sir, number of gems is 11.
So again,
so
one
defect.
Count.
Sir, color, how to tell the defect, sir?
Color, if it is, see, if color is very good, attractive is okay. If it is faded, you say it is a defective. That's all, right? They can have different colors, but the color should be properly colored. That's all.
0, sir.
0, no color defect. Everything is okay, right? Crack?
There are 6 cracked gems.
Cracks. That means you have not handled it properly. Anyway, it doesn't matter. 6 cracks are there. Are there any children there by your side? They might have also.
No, sir.
Shape?
Shape 1 is different.
Shape. And the taste is normally, nobody will say that it is. Everyone will say. Now you see here, boxes have increased to 2. So number of samples is 2 into 10 is 20. Now defects have increased to 13 because 8 was told by Padmaja. Suresh said 5 defects. So total 8 plus 5 is 13. It is tallied defect wise also. And opportunity for error is 5. Therefore, now DPO is 13 by 20 into 5 is 100. 13 by 100 is 0.13. So multiplied by 1 million, it is 1,30,000. And corresponding sigma level is marked here. Now another person, please, teammate.
Sir, Muthu Saravanan.
Muthu Saravanan. Muthu.
Yeah. Muthu. Sir, I have 11. There is 1 shape defect. No color defects.
No color defect.
No color defects. Count is also 1. And crack and shape are the same one.
Oh, crack also is 1.
Yeah,
okay.
Yeah, is 1.
And taste
so
is
the taste is
so totally 3 defects per you.
Sir, one clarification in each.
Huh?
Sir, in this I have the crack and shape occur in the same.
But crack is, see, one particular item has got 2 defects. Crack also defect is there, shape also is defect there. Therefore, you are correct in saying crack 1, shape 1 for the same item.
Yes, sir. Fine, sir.
Very good. Because everything is, we are mentioning it for only per item only.
On the aspect of defect, right, sir?
Yes.
Not with respect to,
Test is okay. And then another person?
Kishore, sir.
Kishore. Tell me.
So defect 0, sir. I mean, I have 10.
0. Then color?
Color 2.
Color is 2. See here, it changes immediately here. Yeah.
No crack, sir.
No crack, 0. Then shape,
Shape. 1, sir.
shape is 1. And then taste, normally nobody will say that it is not tasty. Okay, but please note, if taste is not there, everything is 10 defects. That is. Okay, now you see here, 4 boxes open. 4 into 10 is 40. Samples are 40. Defects are 19. OFE is 5. Therefore, DPO is 19 defects divided by 40 into 5. That is 0.095. So DPMO is multiplied by 1 million. It is 95,000. Sigma level accordingly changes. Now, any other gentleman there? Any other person, participant?
Paresh Patel. Paresh.
Yeah?
Paresh.
Paresh. Yeah. Tell me, sir, count.
0.
0.
Color count 1.
Then crack.
Crack is 3.
3. Shape.
1.
1. And then taste is 0. Okay. Taste is okay. Any other gentleman? Shall we close? Shall we close?
Yes, sir.
Now the question is, now sigma level is 2.8. Is it good or bad? Sigma level should be what? How much should be the sigma level?
6.
Very good. Sigma level should be higher. Sigma level is low. Am I right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Our sigma level is low means the product is good or bad?
Bad.
Bad. But these gems are doing well or not?
Yes.
They are doing very well in the market.
Yes.
What
yes.
is the reason? Now Gopal Shokumar, you will take it.
Taste.
Why? What is the
Taste
reason
and
why it
color.
is doing very well? Even though we have, what mistake we have made? I'll stop sharing now.
Okay.
What is the mistake we have made? Why is it that we are saying we are getting a poor result, whereas it is actually doing very well in the market?
Due to handling, we may damage the product.
No, that's there. You have done it. You have got it all new. This thing only.
Okay.
Goodwill and taste.
Taste is very good. Everybody has said very good
Yeah.
taste. So it should increase. No, if you say taste is bad, then it should have gone further down. Right?
Goodwill.
Package, sir.
Because we have.
Now
Package,
tell me, I am
package.
going to ask you simple questions. Now the sample should be appropriately taken. Yes or no?
Yes.
Now the sample should be appropriately taken means I do not mean by gems. I mean the people whom I am surveying. Am I
Yes.
taking the right people?
May not
Am I
be.
taking the right persons? Are you the consumers for gems
No.
or
No.
children?
No.
Children.
I should take the corresponding people, right?
Yeah.
People whom I am concentrating on for gems.
Right
Gems are not for
population.
you.
Yeah.
Gems are for mostly for children. And then the children, when I consider, will they consider count as a defect? Will they consider crack as a defect?
No.
No, sir.
No.
They
So
won't.
the items that you have considered as defects are not actually defects as far as the customer is
Yes.
concerned.
Yes.
Customer is a king. We should consider only those factors which are considered as important factors, impact factors for customers. Only we should consider that. And that is taste. And everybody has behaved like a children, said it is very tasty. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
we must consider only that factor taste here. And we don't mind considering you because you also behave like children only as far as taste is concerned. And then if I consider only taste and yourself as sample, I am going to get the same result as what it is doing. It will tally.
That
Okay.
means
Fine.
CTQ identification is the key. CTQ identification, critical to quality. The way your customer measures your product, you should also measure in the same way. If you differ from the way customer measures and you measure in a different manner, then these kind of complications will happen. You might think you are doing well, but then product might fail. Sometimes you might think you are not doing well, but your product may succeed. So if you really wanted to have a correct prediction, then your sampling and CTQs should be perfect. And over and above, the measurement should also be correct. Hope all of you understand, right?
You know why car is having 4 tires? Why
To
car
get
is having 4
balance, sir.
tires? Because customer
Balance.
won't like
Balance.
3 tires. Customer won't like a car with 3 tires. They will say it is auto. So they are given a specific name car and then put 4 tires. Thank you.
Right. So there is a table available. You can, sir, that DPMO template you can share in the chat box. Those of you who would like to have it, you can have it. And that template will give you the sigma level directly once you feed, your defects. But in the internet or in the slides, you can see there is a table which will give you the comparison between sigma level, DPMO, yield, and defect rate. You always have sigma level two types. One is short term, another one is long term. The short term and long term will differ by an amount equal to 1.5 sigma. The short term and long term will always differ by an amount equal to 1.5 sigma. See here, 2 means 0.5. 1.9 means 0.4. Below 1.5, it is just made to 0. Okay, this is an assumption. And now, DPMO. Sir, how much was the DPMO you calculated?
2.8.
No, DPMO I'm asking.
DPMO, I don't know what it is. 1 second.
Just look at and tell me. The DPMO values are here.
So DPMO is 96,000.
Okay, 96,000.
Sigma level is 2.8 and 1.3.
2.8 and 1.3, yeah?
3, yeah.
Okay. So let me just show you with this value. See here, something I have done. And now this is 1,46,000. 1,46,000 is calculated to be DPMO. And now the sigma level is somewhere around 1.45. These are only approximate values, but you can always use templates or the sigma level calculators, which I will be sharing. See, 1,45,000 somewhere comes here in between 133 and 160. 1,33,000 and this is 1,60,000. So it is in between 1.4 and 1.5. So it is written as 1.45. 1.45 for the short term. And then again for between short term and long term, you have to deduct minus 1.5, right? 2 means give you 0.5 and something like that. So this table, you can find it in the Google or you'll see it in the material itself. So this is one way you can refer to the table and then you can get it.
I have shared that this thing, Excel template.
Yeah, you can use that also, but that is only for the GEMS activity. And
no, not GEMS activity. GEMS activity also I'll tell you. Okay, then I'll share that also.
No, sir. No, I wanted only GEMS only, enough. Okay. Only GEMS only. And see here, I will share one more template. It's nothing but an Excel file, where you just have to feed your sample size and the number of defects observed. Once you type the number of samples and the number of defects observed, this will give you all these results. Clear? This will give you all the results. For example, opportunity for error, defects per unit, and defects per million opportunities, ZLT and ZST. Can you notice the difference between ZLT and ZST is again 1.5. So what I do is, let me share this file with you, with all of you. One second. Yes. It's a very simple format. Oh, so the sigma level calculator V5, all of you can download. And you can try these things. Once you have downloaded, you can try this problem. You are seeing in the screen, right? All of you are able to download. Please let us know. Are you doing it or not? I have put it in the chat box. Sigma level calculator v5.xls. Is it available?
Yeah, it's available.
So you can see in when you open the Excel file, there will be situation 1 and situation 2 and situation 3. There are 3 situations available, and any kind of project you are doing, when you have the data in your hand, immediately you can get to understand the the DPMO and other things. So I'm sharing the screen. See here, first case, there are 250,000. You can opportunity for error. You can assume it as 1. If you put 1, or if you only put these 2 value, all these results are coming. Can you please check parallelly? You are able to get it? Can one of you confirm? Anybody trying?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please download the Excel file. Just it will do it for you. You can feed anything you wanted to feed, and then only see here the light blue color, that is the input area, and yellow color are the result. Whether they are asking for you to calculate DPMO, they are asking you to calculate ZLT or ZST, this will give you. You can solve n number of problems once you have the template. Is that clear? Are you getting?
Yes, sir. Sir, hope the Excel file is not shared to everyone.
No, it is shared in the chat box.
The chat box, we are unable to see it.
Yeah, somebody can download that.
Sir, can anyone please reshare? Yeah.
Sir, please share in the WhatsApp also, sir.
No, one of you can, somebody should be in WhatsApp, computer, you download and put it in the WhatsApp group. See, we advised you to network within yourself as a team. You need to discuss. You can't learn everything simply by keeping quiet. You have to talk. If you are not doing it, then learnings will be definitely limited. You might think you have become a green belt, but you will turn out to be a yellow belt only. You will depend on somebody to guide you in the project. So you, as a green belt, you should be able to lead projects. That means you should know by yourself. One confirmation I want, anybody able to download and then check the working of the calculator? No confirmation. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Right now, yes, sir, working.
Yeah, I've been asking multiple times. Somebody should tell me, no? Okay, we'll go for the tea break. And in meanwhile, also in the tea break, all of you can practice, get it circulated through WhatsApp, and let's take the attendance, and then we go for the tea break. Please come on video, all of you.